how to increase women's sexual desire just in 2 minutes with herbal medicines. In short, women's sexual desire is often responsive rather than a spontaneous event. It develops after initial sensual contact. While a man's sexual desire may be energized by a physical drive, typically a woman's sexual desire develops from her receptivity to gentle, relaxed sensual touching. You can increase your desire in just 2 minutes by using the prescribed medicines like Jawahir Mohra. Kushta Jawahir Mohra 25 milligrams with warm milk and Majun ginseng. Now you can use Majun ginseng after 1 hour your breakfast. After 1 hour your breakfast, you can use 2 grams Majun ginseng with warm milk. So this is your uh, complete treatment. Just you use this prescribed medicine and increase your desire very fast, just in 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you like it.